about 15 millimeters before the front wheel. That means when you're picking it up by the blade grip, with the blade grip pressing right, you pick it up and the back wheels come up first. Okay. Off the table.
I didn't flip it, that's why I hung it from the main set.
That's no good. You could be way off.
That's why you're doing this corporate thing that you're doing.
He's doing it. He's doing it. I'm doing it.
You're doing it on purpose?
He's doing it to check. He's trying to make friends with the reaction. He's doing all that. He's doing all that. Well, because the last time we thought it did something or didn't do something or blah, blah, blah. So he's getting comfortable with it.
Yeah, how is your name to read that?
Demon. You're right, your thumbs are shaking, by the way.
Yeah, a little ridiculous, isn't it?
Alright, that'll work. And you're quite a bit above mid-stick. Yeah,
that's
quarters.
that's probably where my pitch is at.
So far, it seems to be doing what you're doing and stop doing it when you stop doing it.
Roll to the right.
Yeah, you don't have enough nose weight. Shouldn't be drooping that low. Yeah. Especially the way you have your exhaust angle. It's not even blowing a helicopter down. You know? You fix the nose weight on that, you're going to be a lot happier.
Okay. I brought a bunch of weight. Let's see. Yeah, the nose wants to climb as soon as I put it in the
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. You want to be very careful because if you try to put in a big handful of back cyclic, you're going to have the tail dragging on the ground.
Looks good, sounds good though.
Yeah, all the other systems seem to be fine.
Yep. It's just nose high.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
And you got enough collective to stop the descent?
Probably not. It's a 3/4 stick hovering now.
I've got like 11 degrees. My max pitch is 11 degrees.
I'm just simply saying the way it feels when it's dropping and you add some, does it stop dropping and start climbing again?
Not as fast as I would like it to.
You're going to fix the pitch range.
You haven't hit the stop there going up, right? Not yet. Nicely done. Thank you. I've got like almost 3 degrees.
You got wet?
Like almost 3 degrees at mid-stick. Yeah, so like
have
5.5 or 6.
Yeah, 6.
I understand.
Six, yeah.
I have every helicopter I've ever flown.
Nobody, you can't
0
do
at
No,
center
you can't
stick.
do it
So I'm trying to slowly build myself up to
You're
where
gonna
it needs to go.
see. Here's the problem. You're not gonna end up what Sandy's talking about. You're not gonna have enough to bail out. If you come down fast,
Yeah.
for whatever reason,
Yeah.
you're gonna plant it.
Yeah.
I mean, really plant it.
I get that feeling, and the IRCHA, it caught me off guard quite a few times.
Yeah. You can't run it that way.
So max, if I'm at full stick,
12 degrees. Yeah. You know what you're supposed. You know what you're really supposed to do. Once you get it so it's hovering exactly at half stick, you're supposed to do some full power climb outs.
See what the EGT is.
Come in and land and see what it is.
Gotcha.
And that's gonna tell you whether you put too much in or not enough.
Okay.
And but 12 is a good place to
But
start.
you don't, even if it's an airwolf, you don't want it to do that.
Yeah,
You
no,
don't
no,
want
no,
it to
no,
do
yeah.
that.
You want gradual.
You
This is
want it
not
to
a glow
come up
machine.
like this.
Exactly.
Or
I
electric,
understand.
you know,
And that's
it's not
the
gonna-
and that's the point. If you realize, even my kid who's 3D zero pitch all the time, the first instant, the only thing he has to remember to do is while it's spooling up, he's used to putting the stick to the middle. And I got to tell him, no, keep the stick down during
Right,
spool up,
right.
and then that's the only difference. That's
Right.
the only difference because you only have, I hope, about -1 or something. What do you got for
I've got actually +1.5.
Good.
Full down.
That's good.
That's just the difference between us.
I know.
I
You
fly
can go
when it's
like
really
a half.
windy. I fly when it's really windy, and I want to be able to make it come down if I have to. So I go like -1.
I took the assumption that it's
a
45
cinder block.
degrees. That
You're flying a cinder block.
there ain't no hurricane in the world that'll keep that thing up in the air. So.
No, it's just, you're flying a cinder block. It's gonna come down.
And you really want your pitch curve to be linear.
Yes.
You
don't want what you have.
It feels so much better.
So from bottom stick straight to
0
up
to
to top.
12.
What you're going to do is you're
0
going to
to
do 0 to 12, and you may
That's
have
gonna put six in the
a
middle.
slight bump at 50% to get up a little higher to be like 6 or 6 and whatever it needs to hover there. But that's the exception. Otherwise, it's going to be linear.
Because what I did is I set it up with
Let's.
Zero.
I think he wants to fly. So
oh yeah, let's get out of here.